My entire upbringing in the UK, ये पता कि मैं मुसलमान हूँ, मैं कश्मीरी हूँ, लेकिन उस ज़माने में लंदन में इतने कश्मीरी था ही नहीं. So there was a confusion about my identity. मैं पाकिस्तानी हूँ, मैं इंडियन हूँ, मैं ब्रिटिश हूँ, मैं हूँ क्या? My language was different, my culture was different, everything was different. So growing up, you have a bit of an identity crisis. लेकिन वालिद साहब के साथ बैठना उठना, देखना वो क्या काम करता था, I understood what Kashmir was. And after he passed away in 2004, we tried to, in fact, we wanted to bury him in Kashmir. लेकिन हिंदुस्तान अभी तक, they haven't allowed that because they say that he's a threat to national security. यही बात गिलानी साहब के बारे में, शहीद गिलानी साहब के बारे में वो ही कहते हैं कि he's still a threat to national security. They don't allow people to go to the कब्रिस्तान, जनाजा या कोई दुआ मग़फ़िरत पढ़ना है या किसी को. They just don't allow it. That's the situation that we're in.
How cowards they are, how much fearful they are.
लेकिन यही तो बात है ना, वो इतना डरते हैं कि हमें क्यों पता नहीं है कि हमारा ताकत कितना है. Yes. I often give the example what happened in May when India launched Operation Sindoor. We won, of course, Pakistan won. Lekin I think that Pakistan Awam didn't realize how strong Pakistan was. I would go so far as to say that the army, the navy, and the air force, even probably they didn't realize how powerful they were and how weak India is. You have windows of opportunities that very infrequently come by, and you have to take those opportunities as quickly as possible to discredit India, to showcase the horrendous atrocities that they commit, not just on the people of Kashmir, not just on inside Pakistan, the terrorism they perform in Pakistan, लेकिन अपने लोगों के ऊपर वो क्या करते हैं. So that was my upbringing to realize what was happening inside Kashmir. And then I had a chance to travel to Kashmir for a few years. थोड़ा टाइम गुजारा वहाँ पे. जब बुरहान वानी शहीद हुए 2016 में, उसके बाद I couldn't go back. But as it stands right now, you know, India, they pursue anybody that talks about Kashmir. I can't talk to my own family because जो भी मैं काम करता हूँ बरतानिया में या UN में या OIC में, my family faced consequences for that. I haven't spoken to my family in years. I haven't been able to, वो तो दूर की बात कि मैं जा सकता हूँ या नहीं, बात भी नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि डर है कि हिंदुस्तान स्टेट वो सुन रही बात या वो रेड. देखिए दिल्ली में recently there was a blast. For some reason, my name was dragged into it. For some reason, I don't know why. They raided my entire village. सिर्फ एक घर नहीं, दो घर नहीं, the entire village they raided. और फिर आपको पता है कि फिर क्या करते हैं औरतों के साथ और मर्दों के साथ, बच्चों के साथ. I have cousins that are still languishing in jail since 2019. Still languish in jail. मैंने कोई बात
6 years.
Yeah. मैंने बात की in the United Nations about Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Jay Shankar, ये सब जो ऊपर top brass of the Indian government. I said that they need to be convicted and tried in the Hague, in the International Criminal Courts. A week later, they killed my uncle inside Kashmir. A week later. So this is the situation that people like myself are facing. लेकिन ये बड़ी छोटी बात है because we still live in privilege. I can still live in the United Kingdom. I can still go and do my work. I can still go outside. लेकिन जो लोग आप सोचे कि वो हमारे पीछे जो बरतानिया, अमेरिका, बाकी European या Western countries that we're based in, that's what they're doing to us. In fact, last year I suffered 2 broken ribs after giving a lecture क्योंकि 3 Indian thugs, they decided to say Jai Shri Ram and all this nonsense and decided to attack me. Again, ये बड़ी छोटी बात है, but you have to understand the bigger picture that if they can do this on the streets of London, they can assassinate Hardeep Singh Nijjar in Canada. आपको पता है कि Justin Trudeau he said that there's credible intelligence. They had the intelligence, they had the information that the Indian state was behind this. ये कोई random attack नहीं था. They assassinated Hardeep Singh Nijjar in Canada. These spies that were caught in Qatar, the spies that were caught in Germany, the attacks. I mean, we know the terrorism that is being perpetuated inside Pakistan is being launched by India. आप सोचे कि कश्मीर के अंदर सूरत हालात क्या होंगे. आप सोचे कि मुसलमानों के हालात क्या है in mainland India.
I cannot even imagine.